Welcome back to Home Inspiration Studios, where we appreciate the beauty of well-designed and accessible homes. Today, we're focusing on the enduring appeal of simple bungalow house design. But before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow. Subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. If you are new to our channel, please consider subscribing for more home decor and design tips. This style, characterized by its single-story layout, comfortable proportions, and often a welcoming front porch, offers a timeless and practical approach to homeownership. This isn't just about building a basic house, it's about crafting a home that prioritizes comfort, ease of living, and understated elegance. What is the meaning of simple bungalow house design? Simple bungalow house design refers to the architectural style of a single-story home characterized by a low-pitched roof, wide front porch, and an open floor plan designed for ease of living. These homes typically feature modest ornamentation and a focus on functionality and comfort. The simple aspect highlights the straightforward design and unpretentious aesthetic, while bungalow house underscores the single-story layout and its origins in early 20th century architectural movements emphasizing practicality and connection to nature. It's about creating a home that is both accessible and comfortable, with an emphasis on efficient use of space and a relaxed lifestyle. What are the benefits of choosing simple bungalow house design? Choosing a simple bungalow house design offers numerous benefits. Firstly, the single-story layout provides ease of access and eliminates the need for stairs, making it ideal for individuals of all ages and mobility levels. Secondly, the open floor plans often found in bungalows promote a sense of spaciousness and facilitate easy flow between living areas. The typically smaller footprint can lead to lower construction and maintenance costs. Moreover, the emphasis on natural light and ventilation creates a comfortable and healthy living environment. The wide front porch provides a welcoming outdoor space and enhances curb appeal. Finally, the inherent simplicity of the design allows for easy customization and personalization to suit individual needs and preferences. How to design your simple bungalow house. Designing a visually appealing and functional simple bungalow house requires a focus on efficient space planning, comfortable proportions, and thoughtful material selection. Start by creating an open floor plan that maximizes living space and natural light. Utilize large windows and sliding doors to connect indoor and outdoor areas. Incorporate a welcoming front porch as a key architectural feature. Choose durable and cost-effective materials for both the interior and exterior. Use a warm and inviting color palette with natural tones. Select furniture and decor that prioritize comfort and functionality. Pay attention to details such as built-in storage, efficient lighting, and comfortable flooring. Don't overlook the importance of landscaping. Create a low-maintenance and inviting outdoor space that complements the home's simplicity. How to build simple bungalow house with luxury facade. Achieving a luxurious facade for a simple bungalow house involves careful selection of premium materials and strategic architectural enhancements. Consider using high-quality cladding materials such as natural stone veneer, elegant brickwork, or premium wood siding. Incorporate architectural features like a grander porch with substantial columns, upgraded window styles, e.g., casement or awning, and a more refined roofline with higher quality shingles or metal accents. Enhance the curb appeal with professional landscaping, including mature plantings, well-defined pathways, and sophisticated outdoor lighting. Consider adding architectural details like window boxes, decorative shutters, or a statement front door. Pay attention to the details, such as upgraded hardware, elegant trim, and seamless transitions between materials. Integrate smart home technology for enhanced convenience and security, contributing to a sense of modern luxury. 10 Best Simple Bungalow House Design Ideas. 1. The classic front porch bungalow features a prominent, welcoming front porch as the focal point, with a straightforward and functional interior layout. 2. The open-plan living bungalow emphasizes a seamless flow between the living room, dining area, and kitchen, creating a spacious and airy feel. 3. The craftsman-inspired bungalow incorporates craftsman details such as tapered columns, exposed rafter tails, and natural wood accents for added character. 4. The garden view bungalow maximizes views of the surrounding garden with large windows and strategically placed outdoor access points. 5. The cozy cottage bungalow features a smaller footprint with an emphasis on warmth and intimacy, often incorporating natural stone or wood siding. 6. The modern minimalist bungalow embraces clean lines, a neutral color palette, and minimal ornamentation for a contemporary aesthetic. 7. The accessible living bungalow, designed with universal design principles for ease of access, including wider doorways and step-free entry. 8. The energy-efficient bungalow incorporates sustainable materials and energy-saving features such as solar panels and efficient insulation. 9. The bungalow with a courtyard features a small, private courtyard area that extends the outdoor living space and provides natural light to the interior. 10. The bungalow with a finished attic/loft. While technically not a true single story, incorporating a finished attic space can add extra living area while maintaining the bungalow's overall form. When designing a simple bungalow house, it's essential to consider the site and its orientation to maximize natural light and ventilation. Thoughtful placement of windows and doors can significantly impact the comfort and energy efficiency of the home. Consider the local climate and choose materials that are both durable and appropriate for the region. Furthermore, even in a simple design, incorporating smart storage solutions is crucial for maintaining a clutter-free and organized living space. Built-in shelving, multifunctional furniture, and efficient closet designs can make a significant difference. When planning the layout, think about the flow of daily life and how the different rooms will be used. Creating a logical and intuitive layout will enhance the functionality and enjoyment of the home. Remember that even small details, such as the choice of hardware and lighting fixtures, can contribute to the overall aesthetic and feel of the bungalow. At Home Inspiration Studios, we believe that simple bungalow house design offers a wonderful opportunity to create a comfortable, stylish, and accessible home that truly reflects your lifestyle. By focusing on thoughtful design principles and quality materials, you can achieve a home that is both practical and a joy to live in. Simple bungalow house design offers a timeless and practical approach to comfortable living. At Home Inspiration Studios, we want to showcase the enduring appeal of this classic style. By embracing the principles of efficient design, quality materials, and thoughtful details, you can create a home that enhances your everyday life and provides a welcoming sanctuary. Thank you for joining us today. Don't forget to subscribe for more insights and inspiration on the latest trends in home design. After this, we will provide you a gallery of best modern bungalow house design ideas for your inspiration. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you like it and get useful inspiration from it. Don't forget to subscribe to the Home's Inspiration Studio channel for more inspiring interior design and home decor contents. Thank you and see you on the next inspiring and informative videos.